How to fix too many background processes on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and on this video I'll show you how to fix the issue of too many background processes running on your Windows PC. So let's get started. Method 1. Clean up Windows Startup. The first thing you can try is cleaning up the Windows Startup. Right click on Windows button. Now select Task Manager. In the Task Manager, you need to go to Startup Type. For that, you can click the three-line icon at top left. And now, click on Startup Apps. And here you need to select the unnecessary applications, right-click on them. And then, you can easily click on Disable button. Then you need to restart your computer and see if the issue is resolved. Now you can perform a clean boot. You need to press Windows key or simply the Windows search icon. And you can click on the search bar at top of the screen. And now type in msconfig. Then you will find system configuration. Select it. Now click on open button next to it. Now you need to go to Services tab. Click the box for hide all Microsoft services. And now click on apply button or simply disable all. And you need to click on apply button at bottom left. Then click on OK button and restart your computer. This ensures only essential services are running. Now you can simply turn off background processes in settings. For that, you need to right click on Start icon or simply Windows key and click on Settings. Click on Apps in the left panel and then select or install applications on the right. After that, you need to scroll to the list and now find background applications like Microsoft Defender if you are using another antivirus. So let's search for Microsoft Defender. You can easily click the three dots next to the application and select Advanced option and under Background Application Permission choose Never if you find the Microsoft Defender applications. Then restart your PC and check if the problem is resolved. And by following all these steps, you can easily reduce background processes and improve your PC's performance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share these videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.